What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Taking a look at the markets today, they are bleeding out, with Bitcoin right now as low as $11,340. Look at these down spikes, down spikes, down spikes, down spikes, all the way down across the board. Look at Tron at 5 cents a token. Now I've finally officially lost money on buying Tron. But you know what? I'm holding on to everything because this is temporary. We've seen a lot of unrest over in Asia with the markets, with Korea, and the Asians in Korea and China make up a huge percentage of the cryptocurrency market. I mean, a huge percent. You see when trouble happens there, how it affects the rest of the market. Does this mean the market's going down? By no means at all, no. What it means is that these governments over there are working on regulating exchanges, regulating cryptocurrencies to eliminate things like tax fraud, like money laundering, things like that. So we see Bitcoin and altcoins lost up to 40% of their value the morning of Tuesday, January 16th, today, as regulatory pressure from China and South Korea appears to upset optimism. All they're doing is upsetting optimism. So nothing crazy happened. There was some talk, there was some FUD going on across the exchanges, and data from CoinMarketCap reveals the extent of bear sentiment arising from the confused situation in Seoul and Beijing. So yesterday, Monday, Cointelegraph reported how Korean authorities would likely stop short of an outright cryptocurrency exchange shutdown. That's probably a lot of clickbait, honestly, for them to say that. There's not really any proof that the Korean government is going to shut down exchanges. I think they're just really trying to rein in and create some laws that keep their government stable, that keep their economy stable, and everyone gets scared when they hear anything and they think the worst, like, oh no, it's all gonna disappear, it's all gonna go away. So why is this all red right now? Because of FUD in Asia. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Doubt that cryptocurrency will be around, doubt that governments will accept it, and I tell you the truth, governments will have a tough time accepting that anytime there's change. Look at when the internet came out. When the internet was released, people were thinking, oh, what's the internet? This is such a goofy thing. Whenever it stops working, you know, what are people gonna do? All these people investing in websites and network space and investing in online business, it's not gonna last, it's not gonna last. And those pioneers, those forerunners in those days were the makers of the internet. They went forward, they didn't relent, they kept pursuing, and now you're on the internet. Everyone has the internet. Even in third world countries, I've visited countries where they don't have running water, but they've got phones with internet on them. It's worldwide, and it's used by every corporation, by every major bank, by every major government, military. The internet is used everywhere, and I think the same story is going to repeat for cryptocurrency. The blockchain technology that we see in crypto is way too valuable to just disappear, and whether Bitcoin comes out on top or something like EOS or a cryptocurrency that hasn't even been created yet comes out on top, I think cryptocurrencies are the future. So in situations like this, I trust my instinct to hold my coins. I'm not selling Bitcoin at this price. Are you kidding me? That's the price where I want to buy. When I see Ripple dropping this low, when I see Cardano dropping this low, this is a chance that you have where cryptocurrency is now on sale. Look, Stellar is now 30% off at 40 cents a coin. Buy some Stellar, guys, because obviously when there's FUD, the market's gonna dip. I mean, look at the market cap. It was over 700,000 yesterday. The day before, almost 800,000, and it brings it down this far just for some FUD. After a couple days of things happening and people getting reassured, all these markets will be coming back up to their respective prices. So if you buy Bitcoin now, congratulations, in a few days it'll probably be 13,000 again, 14,000 again, and you'll have made some profit. So guys, don't buy all this FUD. Now is the time to buy. Now is the time to run over to Binance. As someone tweeted, run over to Binance and start pocketing coins because everything's on sale. If we look, let's look at the market cap really quick. So the market cap for cryptocurrency at the beginning of last year, 1 year ago, $16 billion, right there. $16 billion 1 year ago. 1 year later, it's hit highs of 795 billion. I think it's been higher. We've seen it over 800 billion. So in 1 year, if cryptocurrency came this far and it pulls back a little bit, compare today's total cryptocurrency market cap to last year at this time. Look at the increase from going from 17 billion to, 545 billion. Even this market cap right here is crazy. The amount of interest that happened in cryptocurrency in 2017 is only gonna double here in 2018. So yes, there was a huge rise. Yes, we had a huge bull run in the market. It may pull back a little bit, but it's probably gonna shoot up even higher as more and more people worldwide get involved in cryptocurrency. If anything, these headlines are gonna get more people involved hearing about it. Now you start hearing everyone talk about cryptocurrency. So you know that it's gaining more traction, and I think that the market is going to begin booming. So that's my say for the markets today, guys. Hold your coins. That was one of my big tips for you guys going into 2018 is do not panic sell your coins. Learn to hold when to hold. Hold on for dear life in this market. Hodl. Tattoo it on your forehead. Hodl your coins. Do not panic sell. Sell your coins when you're ready to sell them. Sell your coins if you don't believe in them, but I believe in the coins that I've bought, and I'm gonna ride it out until I see profit, and if I don't see profit, oh well, but I'm not gonna scare sell. That's just me, and I recommend the same for you. Something I have been talking about coins, ZOUK. So ZOUK is a new ICO that released. I finally got some money released to go buy some ZOUK coins. Yesterday I only had 50 coins, and people were like, Crypto Rough, what? I thought you were gonna buy lots of ZOUK coins. Here you go, guys. I bought lots of ZOUK coins. I just had to wait for some money to move around. You all know how Bitcoin can be. So there you go, guys. Here is my new ZOUK coin balance after my Bitcoin finally came through and I was able to buy there. The coins are going fast right now at 50 cents a coin. We've seen a lot of interest, over 500,000 sold yesterday on the ICO launch date. Today is the second day of the ICO, and we're already halfway through tier number 3, moving on pretty soon to tier number 4. So we're definitely seeing this go fast. You can see actually the active log of people buying them. 544, 305, 103, 117. So a lot of people investing into this platform. Their lending is also live. If you go over to invest, you can lend ZOUK coin if you'd like to. Right now I am going to hold my ZOUK coin until after the ICO ends, and then maybe I'll put a little bit into lending, but I'm really excited for staking. I want to stake these coins. This is the first ICO that I've been in where I've been able to buy a lot of coins right up front, and so I'm really excited to stake these coins. So ZOUK coin, guys, if you haven't yet, there's a link down below. Go ahead and check out ZOUK coin. Lots of people buying it, and I think it's got a good future ahead of it, so you want to get it while these prices are low. Just wanting to give you guys, following the ZOUK coin ICO, a little update. Alright guys, let's head on over to our YouTube random comment picker and see who today's LITECOIN giveaway winner is. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of LITECOIN every single day. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question with your LITECOIN address down below. Let's see who today's winner is going to be. Guys, I have some really cool ICOs coming up in the next few videos. I've been researching a lot of ICOs this January. That was a big tip this next year, was to get into buying into some ICOs. I was excited for BitConnect X. Couldn't buy it in the US, so moved on to my number 2 pick for January, which is ZOUK coin. And now we have a couple more ICOs releasing. I'm gonna do some videos tomorrow and the next day after that on 2 more coming up that I think are worth getting involved in. So today's winner is Crypto Dave. ZOUK coin ICO. Something special about this ICO. Love the project. Hey man, I'm glad you're liking it. I hope you were able to buy some coins at a good price, Crypto Dave, and that you will make some money from either lending on the ZOUK platform, staking those coins, or just selling them. So we're going to send you $10 worth of Litecoin. The markets are low right now, so we're seeing 0.00521 Litecoin is what $10 currently is right now. So just making sure everything's correct. A small network fee as always. Looks like the network traffic that was here yesterday for Litecoin is gone because Litecoin is the boss. So let's go ahead and send you your Litecoin. All right, here's your Litecoin, Crypto Dave. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. To sum it up, hold your coins, don't freak out and panic sell like the rest of the world is. It's gonna recover. 2, I bought a lot of ZOUK coin ICO. Excited about this ICO, check it out. 3, save some more money for other ICOs. I've got at least 2 more ICOs coming up in January that are gonna be awesome to check out. Let's get into these ICOs early this year and make a profit and be on our way to having a good passive income stream and achieving financial freedom in 2018. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.